Got him!
Boy!
Talk, baby. G, baby.
What the fuck? Hey, what the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck?
I'm gonna prank Daddy. Ha 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 ha.
No! Oh no!
Babe, I feel like I gotta throw up. Can you get out?
Yo, man.
Just get out. Just get out.
My fear is that done with COVID is meant people are like, I'm just done with it, meaning I'm not getting my kid vaccinated, I'm not getting boosted. I'm not like an anti-vaccine person, I'm not someone who's got some like weird obsession with how Dr. Anthony Fauci is like the worst person in the world. I'm just done. And that's my fear, is that that exhaustion is gonna break us off at a point that is not sufficient to get the immunity wall we need.
Right. I think your concern is justifiable, Chris, that when people say done with COVID means you want to get back to normality to the extent that you can. But the fact is you'll get back to normality when you have a certain percentage of people who have immunity. Now, that immunity could either be infection, and hopefully people would get boosted after, even though you do get a good degree of protection from prior infection. But if you really want to get the epidemic behind you, put it in the rear view mirror, just saying you're done with COVID,
Dog, your bum buckle putting that toothpaste, dog.
Huh?
Where you putting that toothpaste? Where you putting that toothpaste, dog? I'm not laugh, man. Dog, where you putting that toothpaste, man? I'm a tongue, I'm gonna put it on the bridge. Stop. Yo, I'm serious, dog. Man, I'm gonna put it all the way in the back of my throat, beat. I'm not laugh, man. Where you putting that thing, dog? Mike, I'm a throat. Brother, stop playing me on my youth. Man, I'm not laugh, dog. I need to know my youth. Man, I'm gonna put it all the way on my tongue, dog. What I'm saying, dog? I'm gonna play them joke, them my youth. Dog, my mouth feel funny, you know.
It'll wear off in a minute.
Man, I'm a throat.
It'll wear off in a minute. It's for your mouth.
So why you putting on my toothpaste, my youth?
I want to do this for days. What I
dog,
bought it
you play them with it. Come and say, yo, I'm putting on my tongue and I said, no, dog, this don't feel like my normal toothpaste. And I said, no, but I never this me use. It tastes like baking soda. Man, stop playing my dog. Dog, my youth, can't play them joke there, dog.
Did it wear off yet?
No, my youth. I'm gonna tooth. I'm a tongue we use it for the brother. The back of my throat feel funny now, dog.
Like, it'll wear off in a minute.
What it is, we need
It's
to
orange
know.
gel.
They mean orange gel. Oral gel, what that mean?
It means it just numbs your teeth.
I know my teeth, I'm my tongue, I'm my throat.
It'll wear off.
So you know all about this. Yeah, laugh.
I can't. I don't know nothing.
Alright.
No, nothing.
I had to lie and say that I wanted to throw up so that you can get out the
Cut,
bathroom.
play with me. Cut.
I'll call you back.
Let me get a new
So you get
towel.
it out of your mouth.
It'll just wear off.
Mom.
You can't use for your tongue?
No.
Or it's just supposed to be used on your gums.
You don't think good, no.
I bought it for that. You told me to get creative, and I did.
Little nigga, what's the matter? Heard you be pissed, get a new bladder. Hey, 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 hey.